Vote for me.
In elections, the tallest candidate always wins. And you're...
The May Day Parade is a celebration of spring. They make gigantic puppets. How could we get something that big to move?
It's an incredibly serious engineering step.
Let's get to it.
I think I'm getting the hang of this.
Oh, I love it.
Ready? So exciting.
Next on SciGirls. Funding for SciGirls is provided by the following. The National Science Foundation, supporting education and research across all fields of science and engineering. The National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin.
Math and science are everywhere. They're the building blocks of tomorrow. That's why ExxonMobil sponsors programs to get kids excited about math, science, engineering, and technology. So one day they may become the scientists of the future.
SciGirls! We need SciGirls! Come on! When I need help and I've got a question, there's a place I go for inspiration. Gotta get to the web, check the girls' investigation. Let's go! Want to get inside a world that's fascinating? The time is right, 'cause SciGirls are waiting. SciGirls! We need SciGirls! SciGirls! Hola, I'm Izzie, and I'm running for class president.
Have you seen this mashup of skateboard wipeouts and rapping grandmas? Hilarious.
Take eyes here. Focus. You're supposed to be helping me with my video campaign.
Right, totally. I'm listening. Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Jake.
Okay, I'm gonna close that window now.
Okay, I was saying Oh, hang on. I need a little tech help. That's better. Now, vote for me, and I promise to take the mystery out of mystery meat. And lobby to change our mascot from the Bakersfield Big Mouth Basses, to pretty much anything else. Thank you! So, what do you think? And be honest.
It's great. I just don't think it matters.
Why not?
Everyone knows in elections, the tallest candidate always wins.
Tallest? That's not fair.
Yeah, I know. And you're...
Adios, Jake. Must get taller. And fast. But how? SciGirls, I need you. I don't think so. Nope. Nope, not that one either. Hey, hello, SciGirls! Let's see if we can figure out a way for me to win.
The May Day Parade is a celebration of spring. It happens every single year, and they make gigantic puppets every year.
It kind of helps you just feel connected with everybody. The best thing about May Day would be people design big puppets.
The four of us have been in the May Day Parade every year of our whole lives. We are all best friends.
We're like sisters, we call each other. This year we wanted to do a huge group puppet together.
We've worn masks, we've worn costumes. For the past few years, we've been on stilts. We're going to make a way more complicated puppet that's going to have really cool moving parts.
And we want it to be like really big and exciting. And people are like, oh, I remember that, when they're like 80 years old.
Today is when everybody sort of gathers and learns the story and starts designing their puppets.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is our first workshop of the 35th May Day Parade and Ceremony.
Today, we're going to be mainly picking the section that we want to be in. whether it's gonna be like a pig or a spider or like a plant.
Do you guys want to be in this section?
We're here to find out about this section.
We have some questions about this section.
Section. Yeah, where's the tall section?
What are you guys gonna build?
Well, we don't know.
Hi. Hey, you guys.
Bo is a engineer slash puppeteer who works at Art of the Beast, and he's very cool and stuff.
So you're here for May Day. Yeah. All right.
Bo is helping us with making the puppet.
You've been looking around the theater and looking at different stuff.
Yeah.
So, and you're gonna continue around. You wanna look at all the ones. Okay.
Cool. Bye. We would like to get some nose dots, please.
Oh, awesome. What color would you like?
It's a tradition that we get dots of paint.
On our nose, because
Yeah.
it's fun.
This one was interesting.
They're kind of all individual. If we're all just gonna do separate, we aren't really making a puppet together.
Yeah. There's a bunch of options, but they were sort of like small, like just a mask or something, and we wanted to do something together.
I sort of think we should do like a pig, and we could sort of engineer it to move.
You guys remember that bear last year?
Oh, yeah.
You know how it blinked his eyes?
Yeah.
I think we should have our pig blink his eyes.
Maybe we could somehow get sound effects. It'd be cool if we could have the pig have a baby.
Wait, so a birth pig?
I don't know.
That would be kind of
That'd be
interesting.
so big enough that we can like sit in it and.
Or there could be like 2 people in it and 2 people walking by the side.
Yeah.
This year we decided to make a pig puppet. Okay, I think we should talk to both.
So I want to show you this puppet warehouse. This is where we keep all the puppets. Here it is.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
Look at their design.
Whoa.
And take a look at some of the things, like if you like the shape or the size. You're going to be in the middle of the street, and people are going to be far away. So you want to have something that's kind of big.
I
Like,
like
this should be big
that
enough.
size. How could we get something that big to move, though?
Well, we could use poles like bamboo or something.
Oh, yeah, or maybe wheels.
I'm going to show you something that might help you with this, and it's called a backpack puppet. So as you see, it's a real simple frame, and this is the backpack. And then you build the puppet up over like this, so you can be a giant puppet.
Whoa, a giant puppet? Yeah, just what the candidate ordered.
Another neat way of making your puppet come to life, but it's something that could come out of it into the audience. Chipmunk.
Whoa. Weird.
What is it?
Yeah, what is it? Yeah. That's cool.
So that's another little surprise you could put in.
Wow, I love this glossy thing.
An amazing place.
Here's something about Anna.
Hi, I'm Anna. I am here today on location, and here's my nostrils. This is my dog, Buster. He loves to lick things, and this is my mom.
Hi, Anna.
I like to fence and dress up in pioneer clothing. I love my dolls. I also love to make dolls. This is my sewing room. I just finished my doll. So what should our pig look like?
Well, it has to be big enough to have the backpacks in it.
The person in the front of the pig can control the head. The head should maybe be paper mache.
Bad thing is, it would be hard for them to turn around and control the tail.
Maybe there should be cardboard strips.
Let's sketch out some of our ideas.
Here's like the cardboard strips. So here's like one leg. Then here could be the face. Smoke would come out here.
Yeah, I think we should get in touch with Bo.
He came over in this like bicycle puppet.
Hi. I wanted to show you a bike puppet. You want to try getting on this thing? And it's all done just strictly off the pedals. So what I do is I take rope from the pedals to some pulleys. When you pedal, you pull on the rope, which goes to the pulley and lifts the wings up.
We used a series of pulleys, so every time he pedaled, he didn't have to do anything, and then the arms would flap up and down.
So I just wanted to show you another idea to do rolling puppets. Let's go inside. We've got a really good idea of what we want to be doing now. What I want you to do is meet a friend of mine. Anne-Marie is a mechanical engineer just like me, and I think she's going to be a wonderful part of our team.
Anne-Marie works for the University of St. Thomas Engineering, so she's also helping us.
Welcome to our design lab.
This is our pig design that we have so far.
And are these you guys standing inside of it?
Yeah, these are us.
What's it do?
Its eyelids go blank.
How about this tail? It says it spins.
Smoke comes out of its nose and its ears.
Through the whole parade, which is 2 miles long.
Okay, so really light with lots of moving parts, but still really sturdy.
Yes.
Why don't we go build some models? We call them prototypes. We'll build little models that obviously won't be anywhere near as big. Let's build little ones and see if we can figure out how the mechanisms work.
Yeah.
Okay. Nora was taking a quick vacation, like left us during the birth of the pig.
And some incredibly serious engineering stuff.
This one would be good.
So we think of the bowl as an island?
Like that, maybe?
Yeah. So usually we want to work small so we don't waste as much material. We build a little one, and if we like how it works, then we scale it up. But you're thinking holes through it.
Yeah, that's what a prototype is.
Okay, so now how are we gonna get it to move?
I think we should attach a string or make a hole right here so we can tie a string here so we can pull it back.
I think we should keep a stick right here, and then we can just like do that really easily.
Maybe we could just like draw it on the board. Comes like this, open, close. It would just like sort of go around the bar.
You might not even need to make the loop all the way around it. Even if that string just came down and under, that would work.
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that.
Lids, 2 sticks, and it closes both at the same time.
Are you thinking sticks or strings?
Maybe we should try both. This is a really good idea.
Would it help if you put this bottom string over?
Yeah.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
You guys, I finished this one. You can show me first.
Okay. So this would be held in by the pig.
That's cool. Let's see yours, Lacey.
This helps like a pulley and it makes it open and close really easily.
Wow, that's really cool. For Lacey's design, we would need 2.
This one you could go like this, and then you could also be like squeezing a bellow to make smoke come out.
Lacey's idea was really good, but you needed kind of like 4 hands to do the bellows and the eyes at the same time, and we don't really have 4 hands. Usually humans have 2 hands. I think we should take a vote.
So raise your hand if you want this one.
Sometimes when like someone has an idea and someone else has an idea, then we're sort of like, I really want my idea.
Oh. It was hard for Lacey because she loved her prototype. I like Lacey's prototype too, but I don't think it would have been very good for our design. Maybe it would be good for something that was like a cyclops or something.
Now it's time for Lacey.
Lacey.
Oh, darn it. This is my mom. This is my dad.
Hi, Lace.
I have a cat named Rudy. He loves staring at cameras. This is called the untwist. We're making 2 cakes. We'll get you when the cakes are done. I like to collect agates. I like to play the piano a lot. Okay, I need to go to school now. Okay. So we found a lot of cool stuff at the store.
We went out shopping and we bought some materials that we're going to use for our puppet. And Bo came by the workshop to help us get started.
So when I start a big puppet or some kind of float, what I typically do is I build from the inside out. I want to see how tall you are, how tall you want the pig to be, and then we can figure out how big of structure we need to put in there.
54 inches.
The best way to do it is to start with the backpacks, and then we're going to attach both backpacks. Let's get to it. We need to figure out a way to attach these.
We could use like rubber ties.
That's a great idea.
We cut up some rubber ties out of bicycle tires, and we're going to use them to tie together the frame of the puppet.
Pull this tight, and it's always good to wrap it around like this a bunch of times.
I think I'm getting the hang of this. Ugh. Ha.
Try them on.
Ooh, it just feels...
Ready? Now what? Clapping for Clara Sophia.
Ta-da! I'm Clara Sophia. Woo! I'm so fabulous! My favorite things to do, as you can see, is trapeze. I do low casting and triple trapeze. I really like to read a lot. Here's my bed. I love stuffed animals and animals. The reason my rabbit has this little leg brace on, because I want to be a veterinarian when I grow up. Because I love robotics, electronics. I also have my own computer. And yeah.
Nora, this is what we built when you weren't here.
Oh, so it actually goes this way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, let's go build. What we generally do when we're doing an engineering project is we make a drawing first. So what we're going to want to do is make a scale. 1 inch peg equals 16.4 puppet. This is what we do in engineering, is we make scale drawings like this so we can kind of figure out how big things are. And these are usually called blueprints.
Imagine if you're an architect and you had to do all your drawings to actual scale, you wouldn't be able to fit your drawing in the building.
So now what we want to do is put these 2 cross braces onto the backpack.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. 2 people will be inside the pig's skeleton, carrying the pig on their backs like they would a backpack.
We're gonna lash these on really tight, as tight as we can. We're gonna pull it tight. We're gonna do this just a little bit test, and we're gonna kind of wiggle it back and forth.
Oh, that's good. The rubber ties will give the pig flexibility.
Now, if it was rigidly attached, what would happen if Bo rocked it that way?
It'd fall apart.
It would have to raise up, right? Because these would be at 90-degree angles to each other. But look at the angle. Look how the angle changes as it rocks.
Wow, that's really cool. The plan is today we're gonna make the ribs.
Then finish the frame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's okay, because it's kind of flimsy. It's gonna be like this.
No, this wire is sort of bad.
If we put cardboard on it. Maybe.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna need cardboard. The cardboard's gonna be used for the ribs of the pig because we found the wire was too flimsy, so we can staple the wire onto the cardboard so then it'll be more secure.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look, it does stay bent pretty well. This is sort of not working.
Well, you can unroll it.
We'll be using this to put over the body of the pig to hold the fabric.
Hey, you guys.
Oh, hey.
This is my daughter, Sage.
Oh,
I thought
hey,
she'd come and see
Sage.
your puppet. The first test of the chicken wire?
Yeah. Maybe we should also try to actually like put it on or something.
I love the cross braces that you put between the vertical holes, guys.
Yeah. I found some cloth.
Oh, that's good because it's clear.
Yeah, it's kind of light. I don't know how see-through we want it, but it's a little see-through.
Whoa, so did you guys just build this?
I was walking around my house and I found a metal hoop that I thought would be really good for the head. We put it in the middle of the head and then had cardboard strips and bamboo rings coming off of it, and then we paper mache'd over all of that.
What should we use for the eyes and the eyelids?
Oh, I just got a good idea. I think this idea would be kind of good because, like,
oh yeah.
oh yeah. Okay, so like maybe we should split up into teams so then it'll be easier. There was too much work to be done, so we just split up into groups, and Anna and Claire Sophia did the eyes, and I kind of wanted to do the bellows because I kind of knew what we were going to do for the bellows.
Claire, Sophia, and I started on the eyes. We sort of built off the prototype in Anne-Marie's lab. We used styrofoam balls for the eyes, and then we used strainers for the eyelids, and we had one big owl running through like an axle. So we designed a hinge to connect the handle to the eyes or the dowel so we could move it up and down.
Okay, so we finished the eyes. We made this stick, and it goes up and bends.
What's with the duct tape on the bottom and the tube?
Originally, we put it there so that this could bend from this, not just be like static. We made this like little loop around it, and so it actually can like spin around it, so it can move really easily.
Yeah, good job on the eyes. Yo, we still have to finish the bellows.
Now we're gonna start on the nose. We are going to have our pig blow smoke out of its nose and ears, just like the contraption that Bo showed us in the puppet storage room. We're using fireplace bellows, talcum powder, tubing, and connectors. To make the smoke come out of the nose and the ears, we have to split the tubing 3 ways.
Blast off.
Oh dear. And only hardly a little bit comes out here. There's not enough pressure to make it come out of both the ears and the nose.
Maybe we should just have it go through the nose.
We can't have smoke coming out of the ears. We're just going to have it come out of the nose in one big poof that the audience can see instead of just teeny little dribbles that are just me. If we focus on just the nose, the pressure from the bellows only has one path to follow straight ahead. One, 2, 3.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, hey, Bo.
Look at the pig.
Bo.
It's gorgeous. Let me see, who's in there?
Anna.
Hey, Anna. Hey, Lacey. How you doing?
Good. Hi,
Wow,
Bo.
look at this. This is just amazing. Show me what you've done. Gorgeous. Wow, look at that. And it's pretty easy to do? Yeah. All right.
Oh, I so want a pair of those.
I cut off these cardboard ribs and I replaced them with these black plastic ones. The cardboard ribs just sort of like hung down. Then I saw like a big like ring of black tubing and I thought, well, maybe that would work. And now the pig's really fat.
And this is just a bunch of fabric that you've torn into strips, right?
Yep.
So here's the tail.
There's a dowel, and then there's a piece of wood. Whenever the dowel spins, the wood spins. And then there's a crank at the bottom, and there's another dowel going through with tape connected to it so it can't go through there. And then there's a washer on each side, and you can turn it around, and it will go around.
Oh, I love it. I'm proud of you guys. You did great.
You know, just keep on going straight like that. Go. Ah! Okay, Nora, try to go forward. Okay. You guys might want to turn around so you can walk forward. Like down low and I go high.
I got you.
I definitely hope it's not windy. More fabric and more padding. I feel claustrophobic in the front. Here's me.
Why are you backing up?
I don't know. I'm trying to get out. I told you it's not easy. 3, 2, wow, 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 wow.
A dancing pig? I thought you said a blinking pig.
Yeah, you need some more skin.
Oh yeah, we do need more skin.
That's perfect.
Oh, good. And here's Nora.
My name is Nora. No, I do not iron my clothes. I was born in China.
This is my bunny. His name is Sebastian. He's not very social. I really love sports like tennis, track and field, and dance. I'm getting ready for recital. When I was younger, I had a chance to go back to Shanghai. They have a lot of really tall buildings, and that's why I wanted to be an architect when I grow up. I'm always finish this later.
So it's the morning of May Day, and people are finishing up their puppets, and they're getting ready for the parade.
Puff the magic pig.
We're at the beginning of the May Day parade,
And we're really excited. Our moms are gonna walk with us. The one that's dancing is my mom.
so we have to go get in the pig.
Okay.
Bye.
We started the parade and things were like going really great. Then all of a sudden, bellows, Nora.
I am.
They're not working.
It's because we didn't fill them up.
Oh no.
Anna, you said that they were full.
They were full.
It's okay.
Somebody forgot to fill the bellows. I don't know how it happened. I think I filled them, but I don't know, something happened.
It was stopping. I can't see. What was that? Anna! Wow. Where's the bellows? Yeah, I'm filling them up right now. Don't move it! Wow, I can't do this alone. Okay, I'm almost done. Don't wait.
We're trying.
Okay, we're good. Anna, just get out. It's fine.
And not just a pig, a blinking, dancing, tall pig.
so great.
It was really fun being in the parade and everything.
People were like dancing around the pig. It was fun because we worked so hard on it and people liked it a lot.
It's probably going to be an experience we're always going to share, and I'm really proud of it.
I'm glad that we all pitched together and made the pig because it was really fun.
We did it! We should upload our photos.
Yeah,
to the website.
Definitely.
Okay.
Put your hand in the middle.
Fellow classmates, being class president is a tall order. But if you vote for me, I promise to be head and shoulders above the rest of the candidates. Thank you. Oh, Jake, okay, how many times are you gonna watch this?
Hey, I'm the least of your problems. This thing is going viral. You may have lost the election, but you've won 200,057. No, wait. 58 fans.
What?
Wait, no, 59. 61. 62.
Okay. Next time I'm going for the prototype.
Today, we are going to be buying some stuff so that we can start making our pig. Oh, look, there's some backpacks. These are like perfect.
Use like some wire.
Put them in the back part.
Ooh, cool, a rubber chicken.
It's a rubber chicken. It's like this random surplus store that has a bunch of stuff from like different places.
I found this really great bellows thing for the ears and the nose.
We found some pretty wacky stuff. We had a lot of fun at X-Man. Oh, you look like a duck.
Swimming with dolphins for the first time was very exciting.
We're looking at the mirror so we can determine where the dolphins can see themselves.
How many things that were thrown in the trash that could have been recycled? Number 5, plastics. They are not recyclable.
If you guys created something, we could mark it.
This is our
Seed starting kit. We sketched a dress and it had a lot of cool elements in it. Superhero princess. Thought maybe you could incorporate technology into fashion or garments.
Funding for SciGirls is provided by the following. The National Science Foundation, supporting education and research across all fields of science and engineering. The National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin.
Math, science, and curious young minds. They're our future. That's why ExxonMobil and former astronaut Sally Ride created the Sally Ride Science Academy to help teachers inspire our students so they may become the scientists and engineers of tomorrow.
The SciGirls website is off the hook. You can set up a profile, find new friends, create a page for your science project, watch SciGirls videos, and have fun. So come on, be a SciGirl on pbskidsgo.org. See you there. Bye.